All right, we are on Vlogmas number 2. Vlogmas number 2. So basically, I want to tell y'all that I basically got 360 waves on accident. I wasn't trying to get 360 waves at all. I was trying to do 180 waves. Y'all know I do 180 waves. No, that was not the plan. That was not the plan at all to get 360 waves. By the way, this do-rag is, I think this is a satin do-rag. It's not even a silky. So this is like my emergency do. Let me show you. See, they're even coming in on the side. I think you can see that. Probably gonna cut them off because I don't want 360s, so that's the goal. Probably want to get rid of them. We pretty much get 360s, man. I don't know. I told you I was 180, and that's kind of like a problem. That's kind of like a problem, you know what I'm saying? Because how am I gonna do 180 wave videos and I got 360s? Look at that. So it's like, do I connect? Let me see. Do I connect those? I don't know. Focus on 360s or do I stay 180? Yeah, my waves have been looking. Look at that. I haven't even been. That's the craziest part, bro. Like, I haven't even been going. I guess my routine just works that well. But yeah, man. As you see, that's pretty much what we dealing with. What do y'all think I should do? Comment down what you think I should do. Do you like 180 waves better, or do you like 360s better? Or should I transition to 360s from 180s? Y'all gotta let me know. We need to figure this out. Next part of this video, I really want to show y'all like what I've been doing, like what I use. You know, I stay with either a Royalty or Torino. I think the Torino Co's in my car. I don't think I'm gonna go get it. So, you know, it's just consistency, man. Consistency, bro. Get you the waves, get you everything in life, pretty much. Consistency is gonna get you what you need out of life. But you know, I use this, you know what I'm saying? I've been using this baby right here, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people use the curling heads and smoothie. I'm more of the curling gel souffle. That's more my style, you know what I'm saying? Now, you know, so I use these together. I use the gold sporting waves, you know what I'm saying? I always say gold. Always say gold. Gold is gold. Gold is good. Gold is good. And then, you know, the TCB type stuff. Y'all seen this before. If you knew, you may not have seen it, but you know what I'm saying? These products go crazy. They go crazy with a nice brush. You good. Y'all tell me what y'all want. Comment down. I want y'all to comment down below and tell me if I should do 360s or if I should do 180 waves, because I make videos for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we a family, so I want to make sure that I keep y'all updated. But you know, simple do-rag, simple, nothing crazy. You can see it. It's nothing crazy. This is what it's called. I know y'all be asking me names and stuff, but yeah, this is like a basic one. I think my face is still in focus on this. Come on, bro. What the hell? There you go. So yeah, that's what I use. You need a soft brush real bad, so I don't know if somebody want to sponsor me and give me a soft brush. You know, do that for me and all that. But yeah, I think I'm probably just gonna head to the gym, and that's gonna be like the end of the video. There's gonna be like pretty much the end. But yeah, I'm probably going to do like a quick little workout, and not take y'all on with me for that. And yeah, this is part 2 on the wavy. What's it called? On the wavy vlog wavy vlogmas. So it's like part 2 on the wavy vlogmas. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next scene. Make sure you keep watching. Boom. Yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, I am about to go to the gym. Head to the gym real quick. I feel like I'm getting skinnier. Like, I'm not really liking that. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let's see if we can focus. But yeah, I feel like I need to go to the gym. I need to hit the weights a little bit more, a little bit harder. I haven't been hitting the weights as much as I used to, which is a little upsetting, but yeah, that's gonna change because I'm gonna be back into the gym. But yeah, I want to do like a quick workout. I'll probably just show you what I do. I know some people do follow me for workouts, like they like to see what I do and like how much. So I'll kind of go a little in detail, a little show you like little here and there, little snippets of you know, the weights and sets and what my favorite routine is and what, you know, saying what I like to work on. But yeah, man, so I'll see you when I'm at the gym. Real, it's kind of cold. Ain't got no heat, no nothing. Dang, got no heat. Wow, you can see my 360s. We pretty much 360 now, but yeah, man. It's pretty much, this is a good vlogmas. It's in. I'm pretty much enjoying it. You know, it's glad I can take y'all with me. We can do stuff and all that. We do all that cool stuff, whatever. I feel like I'm cut, but I feel like I need a little bit more. I feel like I'm missing something. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm missing. I need a little more. I need a little bit more meat on my bones. You know what I'm saying? I need to be just a little bit bigger in my pee. I feel like I'd be a lot happier if I was a little bit bigger. But let me show you. Let me show you what pretty much what I get into. So if I'm looking to work out triceps, works out for triceps. Pretty much hit that. I do this for chest too. Like this works out. These two for chest works out really good. I do that. I do some pull-ups. Do pull-ups here, pull-ups there, and then if I want to bench, I probably need to bench. I feel like I should, you know, bench. I mean, cause I got muscle tone, but it's just not where I want it to be for me personally. But yeah, normally if I do hit this, I probably hit it for about like, I'll do like a 180, 170, 180, somewhere around there, something like that. Normally I'll start at like 160. So I'm a little rusty. That was like 190. Show y'all some pull-ups. I can't do as many as I used to be able to do. I used to be able to do a lot. Well, not a lot, but you know, something significant. Focus, it don't focus how I want it to be focusing. But I feel like I like that. I feel like I like that. Another thing too, one thing that I try to make sure I do, I don't do it as much as I should be doing it. But I do, I make sure I do curls. So with curls, I don't really go too heavy with those. Like at first I progressed, like I'll do probably like 25 or something like that. I'll probably do like 25 and then I'll probably do like 45, somewhere around there, just something to get me started. But I don't like to go too heavy with the curls, just because I feel like it's not a good enough pump, but curls get my blood pumping real good, so I like to hit those. So we about to hit that. I think I can show you where I'm gonna put y'all at. So I put y'all like right here. And then I really can't film. Yeah, I think I'm running out of space. But then sometimes, you know, I hit some. I make sure I do push-ups too. I feel like diamond push-ups work out best for me. I'm gonna see if I can show you my hands, because I want y'all to see. Whoa there, buddy. Whoa there, buddy. Yeah, so I'm gonna do diamonds. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, yeah, you pretty much get the gist of what I do. Like, so I'll do something like that. I'll do something that's kind of basic. Of course, it's longer. Of course, my workouts are longer than this, but I'm kind of running out of storage. I need another memory card so I can, you know, make more videos for you guys. But yeah, I can pretty much just do that. I used to do this like every day. I don't do this as much every day as I used to, but I'm just trying to get back into it so I get to the right weight. All right, so yeah, that's like pretty much the end. That's probably the end. Yeah, this is the end of okay, bro, damn. Let's go back. All right, so this is the end of Vlogmas number 2. So thanks so much for watching. If you guys watch this far, I love you guys. Thanks so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. So make sure you stay tuned, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Vlogmas number 3 is coming on the way. So make sure you watch out for that one. I'm gonna be back.